Chibi Fire Alarm Test 37. Let's hope this doesn't get me in trouble because I got the SpectrAlert Advance HRK first generation SpectrAlert Advance remote horn with a coded pull station. I'm actually gonna do one round of code for this for the sake of trying to keep the pulses at a minimum. All right, now that round of code is done, I guess we could try the this switch. Yeah, that alarm test switch. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching.